We're Onli Travel, and we know travel. Not just travel for travel's sake, but travel for business sake. And we need a bag that works. We want to avoid the hassle of checked bags, cramped overhead bins, and cumbersome luggage. And we know you do too. You need the Onli bag. The only bag you need. The Onli bag delivers truly easy, one-bag travel and handles anything your trip throws at you.